Hi, I'm Suki.
And I'm Sunnah.
Welcome to our first episode of CrunchLabs. Today we will be building this. So we're going to build CrunchLabs today. So first we have the instructions. We have this yellow soft part. We have the wood. We have the little pieces, and we have 5 balls. Next, so first we're going to start with the instructions. So let's see what is in there. First page, we're going to find the wood part. So it's right on here. So let's open it up. There, we have it. Now we're going to find these blue parts that go with it. Okay, so we have 5. So 1 will go in here. Right there. Good. Now we're going to put them in the next hole that's right next to it. And we have 2 more holes, and I'll put them into there. One on the bottom and another one right here. Good. I'm going to if it's like this, you just push it up. Now we have this now. We'll take them and we will put it into these 2 holes. One here, one there. We're going to take another one that looks just like this wood. Let's take it out. Then we will put it, like clip them on just like you did to the yellow thing. Lines right here. Let's put one in here. Push it all the way down. Bring another one. Push it all the way down. Oh, I just dropped this back, but there are some white rubber bands that you'll see in them. And you just flip it over. You will put it in there. Take this rubber band and we'll put it on the other one. Just like this. Next, we'll take 10 more of them. So we're gonna take all these and we'll stick them on, and we'll put and we'll put them all in. So you're gonna keep putting rubber bands on it until you use all of them. So this, what you will do, you will just put rubber bands on here. And then when you're done, it will look just like this. Next, we're going to take these 2 blue parts and we will stick them on to here. So this middle part, it will go on to here. It will go backwards. Look just like this. Get these 4 black parts. These, but 4 of them. And after you put the rubber bands just like this, it'll look just like that. So now, and then you will take this other little part, you'll put it in here and do the same part you did it, just like that. You will put them down, just like that. And then, perfect. On this side, and another one will go on this side. And do the same thing with the other one. Perfect. Good. And then do like this. Then you'll take this. You'll take this. So then it'll look just like this. You'll take this black part, which is this. Okay. Take this off. So now we will take this part. I will open this up first. You will take this part, you'll flip it over. You will make sure that it's like this when you flip it over. And then you'll now take this part. It looks just like this. You will open. You have to do it the other way. You'll make sure that it's locked. Then you'll take this part, you'll take the other part, you'll wrap it into it like that, and then you'll put it in just like that. Okay. You will take this other one of these, and then you'll take the back and click it on just like that. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye-bye.